Alright guys, so I have a influencer box. If you don't know what Influencer is a website where you can go on and review products, and then every once in a while they'll send you a box of products for you to review. You have to take the time to go on there and review all the products, and then most of the time they will send you another box throughout the next couple of months when their new stuff comes in. They do a lot of different things. I recently got one from Pure MD, I believe it was. I think it's Pure MD or something like that, that I did not do a video on because it was just a bunch of packet stuff that I used, and I really did enjoy that. But this one I will do an unboxing because I don't know what's in here. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick and see what I got. Most of the time they send you like food products. Every once in a while they'll send you some makeup, but most of the boxes I get from them are food related. So let's see what's in this guy here. Ooh, it's a big box. Ooh, this looks kind of cool. This box is called Mom Life VoxBox. So this is what it is. They always give you the information on the back of the box so you can go and purchase things, or you can find the things really, really fast. So this first item that I got here is Jazzy Luxe Bath, and it's Epsom bath salts. And this smells really, really pretty. It's lavender, relax, and recover bath salts. I have to say, I've never used bath salts before. I'm excited to try these because I hear a lot of good things about them. So I don't know what these will do, and I know a lot of people use them, but I'm super excited to try these out. These are $9.99 for this bag that I have here, which looks like a lot because it looks like you only have to use like a little tiny scoop of these to get the effects of them. I've never tried any Epsom salts. They smell really, really pretty, so I'm excited to give those a try. All right, next I got here is lemon and ginger herbal tea. So I got some lemon and ginger herbal tea bags, and this is $3.19 if you were to buy the bags, and it has 20 bags in it. So this is just a little tester. It probably has like 2 or 3 of them in there. I love to drink tea. Every night I drink chamomile before I go to bed because it really helps me with like anxiety and stuff like that. So I'm excited to try that. I'll probably drink that in the morning, and hopefully that will give you some energy since it has ginger and lemon in it. All right, next I have here is, it looks like it's leaked a little bit, but it's from Eva NYC. There's a hair mask and then a spray. I actually had this spray from them before, and it also leaked in the bag. So I'm glad that they always put it in a bag like this because it leaked, and I had never tried it because of that. But let's see here, the Eva NYC Therapy Session Hair Mask, $14.99, and that would be this one if you bought the full size, and then the spray, the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer, that's $11.99, and it says with 10 benefits miracle potion. So it's supposed to be like a spray that you add shine to your hair and stuff like that. So I'll have to try these out and see if they work. I tried Eva NYC's dry shampoo, and I really did like that. All right, and the last thing I have in the box is Success Boil in Bag Quinoa, 100% quinoa. So this seems like it would be kind of interesting. It doesn't have very many calories for 1/4 of a cup, 160 calories for 1/4 of a cup. I like quinoa, so I think it's going to be interesting to give this boil in a bag one a try. It's going to be quick, I think, to make this. So it seems like it's just grains. So quinoa is like another source of, you know, that you can use and substitute of rice, or, you know, something like that. So I'm excited to try this. I've never tried this particular product. This one would be $2.36 if you bought a 12-ounce box, which is this here. So $2.36. So I'm excited to give this a try. It says it only takes 10 minutes to heat it up, and it's edible at that point. They also gave me some coupons for some more tea, which I will be using, and then they also gave me a $3 off coupon for Eva NYC, and then I also got a Verla Wing spray in here, and this one is marigold and gardenia. And I think I may have tried this one before. Let's see. This is one that I do like from Verla Wing. I think that's really pretty. It reminds me of candy in a way. All right, so that was everything I got in my influencer box for this go around. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, if you're not aware of Influencer, I will leave all the links down below so you can go and sign up and try to get some of these boxes. They send them out randomly, so you don't get them every month. You just get them on occasion, and then you can try out all this like cool stuff and see how they work. I'm excited about those Epsom salts. I want to really try that, and the quinoa. I'm excited about that too. All right, guys, if you have any questions, don't forget to put it down below, and I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Bye.